guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making some cauliflower and broccoli bake. Just want to show you guys how I make my cauliflower and broccoli bake. Okay, so over here we have some cauliflower and broccoli. Don't worry about the expired date, it's not bad, it's good still. We have 6 eggs here. We got some grated cheese here. We have some aromat, which I'm going to be using to season the broccoli and the cauliflower, and also the eggs. And also we are going to be using some black pepper as well. Okay guys, so the first thing you need to do is to wash your broccoli and your cauliflower. So I'm going to give them a quick wash. I have a clean pan here, so I'm just going to cook them for a bit, just so that they're a bit tender. I don't like my broccoli to be raw. I don't like my cauliflower to be raw either. I just like when they are tender, not overcooked but tender. Okay, so I'm just going to boil them. I'm going to season them with the black pepper. Okay, let's zoom this out a bit. So I'm going to be seasoning it with the black pepper and the aromat. Just a bit, not too much. Then I'm going to have some aromat. This just gives the broccoli taste when it's cooked. Of course I'm going to be adding the cheese, but I'm not going to be, remember I'm going to be draining the water out of the cauliflower and the broccoli, so I'm going to be draining it. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to be spraying some oil spray. I'm going to be spraying some oil spray on it before I add water, and then I'm going to cook it. Okay, the oil just to, I don't know, I just like adding oil just to make it look nice and taste better as well. And also the black pepper and the aromat helps it to taste better as well. So I'm just going to add some water to it, and then I'm going to cook it. Okay, so I didn't add a lot of water, as you guys can see. I just add a bit of water, and then I'm going to cook it now. Okay guys, so we're going to break our eggs. The broccoli and cauliflower is ready. So we're just going to break our egg into a bowl. Sometimes I hate when the shell goes into the egg. It's annoying. I don't like that. I mean when the shell goes into the egg. Take it out. So we're just going to season the eggs with some black pepper. Okay guys, so I'm going to be putting the cauliflower. So I steam it by using some foil paper on the cover. Okay, so I have my baking dish here. So I'm just going to put them in here. Just put them in there. You're just going to bake it till the cheese melts, probably like 5 minutes. Make sure you preheat your oven to 200. I'm using fan oven. Okay, I'm using fan oven. So preheat it to between 180 200. Okay, and then you're just going to bake it for like 5 to 8 minutes, just to make the cheese and the egg cook. That's all we are going to be doing. So yeah, I'm just taking it out of the water. Okay, so I've already seasoned my egg with aromat, a bit of aromat, a bit of black pepper. Okay, So we are going to be pouring it inside. Let me bring the camera this way. So you just pour it in. So this food is very good for if you are going on a weight journey, on a weight loss journey, which I'm doing. Okay, probably make a video telling you guys all about it. Yeah guys, so just pour your egg in it, and then you take your grated cheese, you sprinkle it on it. So I'm using I think this is cheddar. Yes, I'm using cheddar cheese. You can put as much cheese as you want. You're just going to just bake it until the cheese and the egg is cooked, really. Okay guys, give this video a thumbs up, share it, and then I'm going to bake it now. Okay guys, so my broccoli and cauliflower bake is ready. Okay, so if you want it to be very brown, you can cook it for like 12 minutes. Okay, so I left it for about 12 minutes. Okay, but if you don't want it to be brown, okay, you can just cook it for between 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, but if you want it to be very brown, then leave it for like about 12 minutes. And then if you really want it to be very brown, then of course leave it for 15 minutes. I think that will make it extremely brown. Okay, but then of course it's going to get burnt as well if you're not careful. Then you need to reduce the heat. All right guys, so let's cut it and see how it looks like. Okay, let's give this video a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe for more interesting videos. Okay guys, so I'm just going to serve it now so you guys can see how it looks like. Can you see that? It looks nice, isn't it? It looks yum. Looks yummy.